Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. In this video we will discuss about morphological characters of leaf, and this is part 3 in the series of morphology of flowering plants. So let's start the video. So first of all, what is leaf? Leaf is flat and green outgrowth that arise from the stem of vascular plant. Leaf always present on the nodes, and the area between two nodes is known as internode. Leaves are primary site of photosynthesis and prepare food for the plant. Leaf exchange gases through stomata, and stomata are the tiny holes that are present on both upper and lower side of the leaf, and exchange gases through these stomata. Leaf help in regulate transpiration, and the arrangement of leaves on the stem, how these are arranged on the stem, is known as phyllotaxy. So now we'll discuss about the structure of leaf. So leaf consists of a broad expanded blade that is known as lamina, and the short stalk where it attached to the stem is known as petiole, and veins are present on the leaf that help in transport of food and water. Upper surface of leaf is called adaxial, whereas lower surface is known as abaxial. Now we discuss about some homologous structure of leaf. So there are certain organs that are very different from usual green leaves but are formed in the same manner as the green leaf. These include sharp spines as present in cacti, and needles in pines, scales of asparagus stalk or lily bulb. So these are all modifications or homologous structure of leaf. Now we discuss about the types of leaf. So leaves are quite diverse in size, shape, and various other characteristics such as arrangement of veins, how the veins are arranged on leaf surface, nature of blade margin, arrangement of leaves on shoots. So we will discuss one by one all these. So first of all, the venation. So venation is arrangement of veins in the leaf blade. There are two types of venation. One is known as reticulate and the other is known as parallel. In reticulate venation, there is network of veins on both sides of midrib. This is the central midrib, and on both sides of midrib there is network of vein. And this is the characteristic feature of dicot plants. Whereas in parallel venation, veins are arranged in parallel rows to each other. You can see all the veins are parallel to each other, and this is the characteristic feature. Parallel leaf or parallel venation is the characteristic feature of monocot plant. So the types of leaf, there are two different types of leaves, simple leaves and compound leaves. Now what is simple leaf? Leaf whose plate is not divided to the midrib even though lobed. So you can see here the leaf margins are serrate, but these cuts do not reach to the central midrib. If these cuts do not touch to the central midrib, then it is known as simple leaf. And at the base of every leaf there is axillary bud. Whereas in compound leaf, these cuts reach to the central axis, and these all form the leaflets. And how we call these leaflets and not the leaf? Because axillary bud is present only here. If axillary bud present in the axils of leaf, then we called it as a leaf. But now these are all leaflets, and the all leaflets form the compound leaf. Compound leaf is further divided into two types: pinnately compound leaf and palmately compound leaves. Pinnately compound leaf, leaflets are present on the common axis. This is the main axis, and all leaflets are present side by side here. And this is the common example of leaves found in neem plant. Whereas in palmately compound leaf, leaflets are attached to a common point. This is the common point, and all leaflets are arranged around the common point. And the examples of palmately compound leaf is cotton and silk. Now we will discuss about the leaf types on the basis of arrangement. So on the basis of arrangement, leaves can be classified into alternate leaves, opposite leaves, and word leaves. So what is alternate leaves? If leaves are arranged alternately, one per node, you can see here one leaf is present only at one node. Whereas in opposite leaves, two leaves are arranged oppositely at one node. Whereas in word leaves, more than two leaves are present on one node or per node. So now we will discuss the leaf modifications. So there are many types of leaf modification found in different plants or plant kingdom. So we'll discuss some of the following. So first one is tendrils. So leaf tendril is a thread-like structure or part of the leaf that encircle any object as it counters to secure itself, and this is commonly found in the vines. And the storage leaves, common example of storage leaf is onion and garlic. And fleshy leaves store food. Now the spines are also modified leaves present in cacti, and these spines help the plant from herbivores, protect the plants from herbivores, and these also help in radiating heat from the stem, reduce the transpiration rate. Now the insectivorous leaf. Insectivorous leaves, the leaves modified into pitfalls or traps to trap insect or to trap some animals. These types of plants are commonly found in nitrogen deficient soils, and to fulfill the need of nitrogen, they trap animals or insects and then digest it and fulfill their nitrogenous need. And the examples of insectivorous leaf is pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, or many others. So there are senses, and when any insect or animal come in contact, these traps close the insect and then digest and fulfill their needs of nitrogen. So if this video is helpful to you, so please like and subscribe this channel. Thanks.